honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to fix me some quarantine cuisine breakfast for lunch. Oh, it's almost 1 o'clock. It's 12:50. And I'm starving. Hubby's still back there asleep, so I'm gonna eat. Okay, I'll fix some bacon and 2 eggs. And I'm cooking on my stove for a change. Okay, cook my bacon first. When I cook with my bacon, I usually just cut the pack in half. And I like cooking with short bacon so it'll fit in this little skillet. I like cooking in this skillet. That's 2 strips. I'm going to cook this since I got it in my hand. That's enough. Whoops. Meanwhile, keep it back nearby. I didn't put no milk or water or nothing in here. I'm going to season it. It's got the egg. This has the salt, pepper, garlic, and onion in it. Of course, this can be done in the air fryer, but I wanted to cook on the stove today. Turn over. I'm going to toast some bread. I'll be back. I'm going to make some toast in my Cicero air fryer oven. So let me plug this in. on the toast setting. Ain't even no pan or nothing, just putting the bread right in here. I want it to get a little more crisp than that. Turn this down some. You can't see what I'm doing. Bacon always smells so good. Turn this off for now. I'm putting my bacon on this paper towel. Okay. Pour this excess grease. Most of it. Let me put some water in this bowl so this bowl don't crack. Okay. Got a little bit of grease in here. Cut the fire back on. We'll deal with this later. See what time it is. 12:58. You know what? I'm going to make me a bacon and egg sandwich. I wasn't going to, but I am now. With the cheese on it. Cut the fire off. Won't take but a couple seconds. Get this bread done. Okay, my bread is good. I'm going to turn this off. And plug it. It's lightly toasted. That's a lot of egg. You know what? Put the cheese between the eggs. Like that. And then the bacon. This is a good sandwich, y'all. You know what? I want some Miracle Whip on this sandwich. That's too much. Let me get a knife so I can cut this. Hot. I ain't got no tomato. I ain't got no lettuce. But this is still good. Okay. Here's my quarantine cuisine. Breakfast for lunch. Look at all that cheese oozing. Okay, let me get a thumbnail. But first, I'm going to tell y'all thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. Maybe I'll just do this for my thumbnail. Okay. Y'all stay home and cook. Stay home, be safe. Stay blessed. Bye.